Hey, what's going on, y'all? RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S6. I've had a few requests for this phone. I also wanted to pick it up for myself and try it out. Now, this is a 2015 flagship device, and honestly, for the price that it's still going for, you can buy a lot of phones in 2018 that's got really good specs and works really well for what this thing here is going for. So let's go ahead and look around the box here, see what we have in here. We've got a 5.1 inch Quad HD display. Android 6.0, 32 gigabytes of memory, a 16 megapixel camera with a 5 megapixel front facing camera. In the front here, of course, got your phone there. Down here is some more specs. 6.0 Marshmallow, 5.1 Super AMOLED display, Quad HD. Talk time up to 23 hours, standby up to 12 days, 32 gigabytes internal storage. Bluetooth 4.1 has an octa-core 64-bit processor with a 16 megapixel camera on the rear, 5 in the front. It has a smart switch, S-Health, fingerprint scanner, wireless charging, and all that good stuff there. Let's go ahead and get this thing here unboxed. Go ahead and pull this off of here and take the phone out and set it to the side. Let's go ahead and see what comes in here. So you got your quick reference manual, your Straight Talk terms and conditions. Have your SIM tool there, wall adapter, Samsung earbuds there, and of course your micro USB charging cable there. On the back there, of course, all your activation, getting started guides, stuff like that. So let's go ahead and put everything back in the box and look at the phone. Okay, y'all, so right away, by just picking the phone up here, I mean, this phone just feels really nice in the hand. I know the screen is kind of small at 5.1 inches to some people, but honestly, I think it fits really well in my hand. Now, up here up front here, of course, there's a few specs. So you see there, next generation octa-core processor, wireless charging, all that kind of stuff there. Let's go ahead and pull off the protectors, or the screen protectors in plastic here. This thing just looks and feels really nice looking here. Got your camera back here, your flash, Samsung branding, Galaxy S6 there. On the right is your SIM card slot. This does not have an SD card, by the way. Power button right here. That's a lot lower than I'm really used to. I like it more up here than down here, especially while putting it in a windshield mount and in tripod, stuff like that. On the left there, I do like the spacing of the volume. That looks really nice. On top there, you have a secondary mic, and I think that might be an hour blaster, have no idea. Antenna bands there as well. On the bottom, micro USB charging port, headset jack, speaker, and microphone there. On the front here, of course, your front facing camera, receiver, a physical home button here, and of course your recents and back button. Let's give this phone its first boot up. So we got some power there, Samsung Galaxy S6. So I'm really anxious to try this phone out. Like I say, this phone is, I know this phone came out in 2015, but you know, when you can't afford the new flagships, just try the old ones out. So up top there, of course, was a notification light. So I'll go ahead and get this thing here all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, everyone, so we're set up now and ready to go. Now, this phone right out of the box feels really smooth. I love the display. The Super AMOLED display looks really nice. Swipe this way here, you got this thing called briefing and everything else. Now, let's go ahead and go scroll down here and see what we have. We have your drop-down bar there for all your stuff, flashlight, NFC, airplane mode, Wi-Fi. You can also edit those to your liking. Go ahead and go to the phone dialer here. Typical phone dialer stuff there. Let's go ahead and go into messaging here. Take a quick look around. So you've got your typical Samsung keyboard there. Your emojis are right here. So there's plenty of them to choose from right there. No shortage in emojis on this device. Now going into the app drawer, there's all your apps, stuff like that. Not much on the phone. Got Facebook Messenger, Samsung Pay, all your Google stuff right here, of course, that you see. Go to this page here, you'll see music, gallery, you know, S-Health, S-Voice, stuff like that. So not much on the device. Let's go ahead and go into settings here and look around here. Got all your stuff up here for your quick stuff. Got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, data, mobile networks, NFC, and payment. I got notifications here, display. So you got font size, icon backgrounds, smart stay, LED indicator, screen mode. You got adaptive display, AMOLED cinema, AMOLED photo, and basic as well. Scroll on down here, you have your themes, home screen, so you can of course change all of that, your screen grid, all that kind of cool stuff as well. Let's go ahead and back out of here. I got easy mode, privacy and safety. Got your storage, so let's go ahead and see what kind of storage we have in this device. And you have 9.9 gigabytes used out of 32, so you have 22.91 gigabytes available. And like I may mention, this phone does not have an SD card slot, so you pretty much are stuck there, and there's a line going through there. I'm sorry about that. Can't really help it right now with the lighting. Let's try to change that a little bit there. Oh well, ain't going to change. So about device here, this phone does run 6.0.1 Marshmallow with a July 2017 security patch. So we'll see if there's any updates on this phone and everything else. So let's go back home here, take a quick look at the camera. And I expect the camera to be really nice on this device. So really anxious to try this phone out for live streaming and everything else and all that kind of good stuff. So got your modes down here. There's mode button here. Got auto mode, pro mode, selective focus, panorama, video collage, live broadcast, slow motion, fast motion, virtual shot, and download. Pretty cool stuff there. Up here, of course, it says 16 picture size, 16 by 9. 16 megapixel, and it drops down from there. Go up here, get your video recording size. You can record in Ultra HD 3840 by 2160, QHD at 2560 by 1440, 1080 at 60 frames, 1080 at 30 frames, HD, and of course VGA. Back out of here, got tracking, autofocus, video stabilization, on or off, grid lines, location tags. You can save as raw file. It's blacked out right now, but you got voice control as well. So a lot of really cool features here on this device, on this camera and everything, and all that you see. So it says once your face has been recognized, tap the heart rate sensor to take your picture. Okay, so the front facing camera there looks really nice. That front facing camera looks really nice, vibrant and clear. So up here, of course, you have a 5 megapixel camera, and it drops down from there. You got modes here as well for selfie, wide selfie, video collage, live broadcast, virtual shot, interval shot, and download. So this phone's got a ton of features, y'all. Got beauty mode, self-timer, HDR, and effects. Now for the front-facing camera, you can record in QHD 2560 by 1440, Full HD 1080, HD 720, and VGA. So that's pretty nice. I mean, this is a 2015 device in 2018, and from the specs I'm seeing here, I mean, and from what I've seen in the camera settings and the way that the screen looks and the way the phone performs, off the bat, I say it's pretty solid, you know. But of course, time will tell after you use it and, you know, load it down with your apps and stuff like that. And of course, without an SD card, all your pictures, videos, all your apps has to solely rely on internal storage, which is really, yeah, I prefer SD card slot. Anyway, got all your all your settings there as well, quick launch, voice control, all that kind of stuff. So I'll be testing out the camera and all that kind of stuff on this device. So phone feels really nice right now as well. Like I said, it does have fingerprint sensor, however, it's not set up yet. And so yeah, I will try this phone out heavily on my account and everything. So this is just the unboxing and first look here of the Samsung Galaxy S6. Kind of looking at some older flagships, you know, because it's like the newer flagships are too expensive right now. So yeah, just checking this here out. So if this was helpful and informative in any way, hit that like button. Any questions or comments you may have, leave it below. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.